Today, I am reviewing the Dreame N20 Steam Carpet Cleaner Machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you take this machine out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality and the focus on ergonomics. It feels sturdy, and while it isn't tiny, it is certainly more compact than dragging a full-sized upright carpet cleaner out of the closet. The black finish looks professional, and the wraparound cord management is one of those small design choices that makes a surprising amount of sense when you are trying to store it in a crowded linen closet or a laundry shelf. It is a portable unit, but it still packs in enough power to be effective for more than just surface-level cleanup. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the heating system. Having 4 different modes allows you to pick the right tool for the job. You have a cold water setting for quick touch-ups where you don't want to risk setting a protein-based stain, and then you have the heated options. The 150-degree hot water wash is excellent for breaking down grease, which is exactly why it performs so well on things like car interiors where food and oil stains tend to accumulate. The 212-degree steam wash is where it gets interesting. Steam is fantastic for sanitizing, and it really helps to soften up those stubborn, dried-in messes that have been sitting on your rug for weeks. It does take about 35 seconds for the steam to get up to temperature, which is a short wait considering the efficiency gains you get from it. One of the biggest pain points with any upholstery cleaner is the maintenance. If you have ever cleaned a pet accident, you know that the hose can quickly become a breeding ground for bacteria and mold if it is not cleaned properly. The Dreame N20 includes an auto hose flush function that is genuinely useful. You just press a button, and the machine uses its own suction to pull water through the hose, rinsing it out so you don't have to deal with that dreaded, dirty water smell the next time you go to use it. It is a small feature, but it is one that makes the machine much more pleasant to live with on a day-to-day basis. The auto mix solution tank is another convenience that saves a lot of back-and-forth guessing. Instead of trying to eyeball how much cleaner to put into your water tank, the machine handles the ratio for you. It keeps a reserve of cleaning solution and draws what it needs, which is a great way to ensure you aren't leaving behind sticky soap residue. Residue is actually one of the main reasons why carpets seem to get dirty again so quickly. If you oversoap, you end up with a magnet for dirt. By automating the mix, the N20 helps you avoid that mistake entirely. When it comes to suction, you are looking at 17,000 pascals, which is plenty of extraction power for a portable unit. I have seen plenty of these spot cleaners that leave the fabric soaking wet, which takes hours to dry and can actually damage the foam underneath your upholstery. The N20 does a good job of pulling the dirty water out, leaving the surface damp rather than drenched, which significantly speeds up the drying time. The included attachments, the grout brush, the concentrator nozzle, and the round brush really broaden the scope of what you can do with this. It is not just for carpets. It is a legitimate tool for deep cleaning tile grout, window tracks, and kitchen crevices where grime likes to hide. That said, you should keep your expectations realistic regarding the scale of the work. This is a portable spot cleaner, not a professional-grade carpet shampooer. If you are trying to clean an entire wall-to-wall living room rug, you're going to be there for a long time. The tanks are sized for manageable, targeted cleaning, so for a full-room job, you would be spending a lot of time refilling and emptying. It works perfectly for high-traffic paths, furniture, car seats, and pet stains, but it is not built to replace an upright machine. For heavy-duty, whole-home carpet maintenance, there are also a few practical trade-offs. The cord is a decent length, but you will still find yourself moving from outlet to outlet if you are working in a larger vehicle or moving between different rooms in the house. The internal heating system means the machine is a bit heavier than a non-heated unit, though the carry handle is balanced well enough that it doesn't feel awkward. Also, since it is a steam-capable device, you need to be mindful of the surfaces you use it on. Always test an inconspicuous area first, especially on delicate fabrics like silk or wool, which don't necessarily love high-heat steam. Ultimately, the Dreame N20 earns its place if you're a pet owner or a parent who feels like you are constantly fighting against minor household stains. The combination of steam and hot water really does elevate the cleaning performance beyond what you get with a standard pour and scrub cleaner. It is a polished, well-thought-out piece of equipment that solves several of the biggest complaints people have with this category of appliance. It is easy to set up, it keeps itself clean, and it delivers professional-looking results on things like couch stains and car upholstery. If you are looking for a reliable way to keep your home fabrics feeling refreshed and hygienic without the hassle of a massive, bulky cleaning rig, it is a very solid addition to your cleaning arsenal.